A number of first responders take the witness stand describing the horrific scene in a Duxbury home. A mother who had jumped out a window and 3 children strangled in the basement. As the prosecution makes its case against Lindsay Clancy, the evidence of how she killed her children becomes more disturbing. But true crime followers from all over the world are locked into this case. Brandon Truitt shows us what happened in the courtroom today and takes a closer look at the widespread interest.
Nearly a dozen first responders testified today. Some of them tended to Lindsay Clancy, others to her 3 children and their father, Patrick, who called 911 that fateful night 3 years ago.
Could you hear what he was saying? Do you recall him saying, "I can't wake them up, I can't get them up"?
Yes.
Another heartbreaking day in Plymouth District Court. The trial against Lindsay Clancy delivered another round of testimonies that are just frankly tough to hear.
During those 18 minutes in the well-lit ambulance, did you ever see blood seeping through the bandages on her wrists?
No.
Clancy has admitted to killing her 3 children, but the 35-year-old claims she was battling postpartum psychosis and over-medicated by doctors when it happened. Prosecutors claim Clancy was more calculated than that. They called 10 different first responders to the stand in an effort to convince the jury Clancy faked her suicide attempt.
They all had slightly different roles and therefore approached the scene from a slightly different perspective.
I think you guys are judging the wrong person.
This trial has gone global. As disturbing and graphic the details, millions have watched on live streams, while others want nothing to do with it. There are social media posts by the thousands.
I cannot even fathom the guilt and the remorse.
There's no point in further humiliating someone who is already clearly suffering and mentally ill.
Some express hardline opinions on the case. Others say they're feeling a mix of complex emotions, empathy for Clancy's condition, and revulsion for killing her children.
We can't really imagine a mother especially killing her child or children, and in such a horrific fashion. We've evolved a bit in our understanding of psychosis in women postpartum.
And tomorrow the jury will leave the courthouse and head to the Duxbury home where those 3 children were killed. They'll also visit a CVS and a takeout restaurant where Patrick Clancy was running errands at the time his children died. In Plymouth, Brandon Truitt, WBZ News.